Adobe Illustrator versus Inkscape. Let's start with Adobe Illustrator. It's the industry standard vector graphics editor from Adobe, used widely by professionals for logo design, branding, print, and digital artwork. So for the pros, it offers powerful, full-featured set of vector tools, anchored and beaver sizes with the 3D materials supported with a complex and professional level vector work. It also has an excellent industry compatibility. It supports over AI files, formats, and broad format supports. It also has a strong support and tutorials and ecosystem. So there are many professionals which are using it, especially for students. But the cons is it can get expensive because it is a monthly subscription, not a one-time purchase. So it can be expensive, especially for students, creators on a budget. And it also requires a steep learning curve. So if you're not that good at learning, it will get hard for you to learn how to use this platform. Then lastly, it has a heavy system requirements, so if your PC is not that good, you might have trouble using the app itself. Now, Inkscape, on the other hand, is a free, open source vector graphics editor supporting major platforms. It focuses on core vector editing and uses SVG as a native format. So for the pros, it is completely free and open source. There's no subscription cost. It also has a cross-platform, including Linux, lightweight, and compared to some commercial tools. And it has an active community as well, with an extensibility via plugins and extensions. The downside is there are some features or advanced features found in Illustrator which may lack the platform. There are also performance issues reported for every complex design with many nodes and anchors. And then the file compatibility also has some limitations. So overall, if your work demands professional print output and large-scale vector assets, then I recommend to you Adobe Illustrator. But if your work is vector graphics for YouTube thumbnails and social posts and web use, and you want it budget friendly, then you can also use Inkscape. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.